Ooh, yes, I like that. Hey guys, Nangai here today. I honestly feel like it's been forever since I filmed a video, but today we are going to be reviewing a new product, and it is by Camille Rose. This is a deep conditioner, also known as a protein treatment, which is something that I really need for my hair because I have been like, ooh girl. I have been just like slicking my hair in like these little ponytails because you know your girl got a little bit of length now. So this is the Nangai, and I'm not even gonna attempt that word, T-word, Strength Restore Protein Treatment. And this is an exotic blend for breakage, damage, and splitting hair. So one new thing that I use is I no longer use a Y2 comb to detangle my hair. My curls seem to have a better flow with this kind of brush, which is like a paddle brush, you know, one of those brushes. So this is currently what I use to deep condition my hair. I'm not entirely sure if these products are like super new because I ended up getting these when I went to Texture on the Runway, which was hosted by Sally Beauty, and it was with Naturally Curly. They ended up giving us a whole bunch of different goodies, and these were a part of it. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I highly doubt you do, because you know these days YouTube has been a little crazy as far as with, you know, making sure people actually get the videos on my channel that they had subscribed to. So I really haven't been too active here on YouTube, but if you guys want to follow me for other updates and other things like that, Instagram is the best platform to do so. So I had went to Naturally Curly, and they ended up giving us a huge goodie bag full of products, like oh my god, full of products. And then I saw this and I was like, you know what, I think I would like to do it. I think I actually did a poll on Instagram, and a lot of you did DM me and say you wanted to see me use certain products. So this is going to be the first one that we're going to use starting off today. So you're supposed to apply this on damp hair, and the smell kind of reminds me of, like, I don't know, like some Johnson & Johnson baby lotion or baby soap. It's a very nice, it's a very forgiving smell. This is how it looks. Like, it has a very like whipped, buttery kind of like, you know, consistency to it. So I am loving the way that it does feel on my hair so far. My hair seems to be basically soaking this up. Like, yeah, I'm really liking it. I usually know a deep conditioner is good when my hair starts to feel very soft, it starts to feel buttery, because as you guys can see, I have kinky curly hair. But when I do use a really good product, my hair starts to soften, I start to see some of my curls coming through. So this actually seems like it's going to be a pretty good product to use. So my hair is pretty much saturated, so at this point I'm just going to take my paddle brush, and I'm just going to start with the ends. I'm just gonna work my way up. The reason why, like I said, I use a paddle brush is, like, you guys see that? It combs right through my hair, and then it also defines my curls in the same sense. So, ooh, yes, I like that. So for one, I'm noticing that my curls definitely do love it. They have shrunken up. It seems like all of my hair has pretty much shrunken up, and this product isn't sitting on top of my hair. And this product isn't sitting on top of my hair. It's actually like penetrating through the follicles and everything like that. I can actually feel it. And that's one of the things I look for when I'm using products. I've noticed that sometimes when I'm using like old products, like my old Faithfuls, sometimes after a while the ingredients do change and my hair no longer responds to it. But this is actually seeming pretty good. Like, my hair really likes this stuff. So I'm just going to push this all back. Cause you know your girl got hangs on now. I can do ponytails and stuff, so you know how that goes. So I'm just gonna, you know, attempt to put my hair in not too tight ponytail, because this is supposed to be a treatment, so we don't really want too much, you know, tension on like our edges or anything like that. So I'm gonna do this cute little, not so cute ponytail thing, whatever that is. I'm going to get a plastic bag, and I'm going to leave this in for 20 minutes. I'm gonna wash it out, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna talk about how my hair feels after that. Alright guys, so I just finished washing my hair, and I left this in for 20 minutes like it said. One thing that I can immediately tell is that my hair definitely does feel like it had a protein treatment. Like, how can I explain it? Basically, before I had washed my hair, it felt more so on the dry side, like just really dry, like to the point where it would just snap and break because I had all that gel in it. But right now, it actually feels stronger. Like when I actually pull my hair, it doesn't feel like it's gonna break. It feels like it has, you know, something that was missing. So I definitely do like the product. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to attempt to twist up my hair. I do have another product here by Camille Rose. This is the Nangai, and I think this is, we're gonna try it again. I think this is Tsubaki. I'm assuming it's like the, you know, some silent in there. Nangai and Tsubaki Strength Restore Hair Oil. So we're gonna put this on top of it because I'm not really the type that wants to put too much products in my hair, but I'm going to be twisting with my product right here, which is by Serene Body Sense. This is our new Flax-Shea Curl Cream, so I'm going to twist my hair with that. I'm also going to seal in the moisture that's in this because this product right here is like moisture and it's a curling cream. That's why I love my products. If you guys don't know, Serene Body Sense, that's a plug. I'll leave it down below. And then I'm also going to follow up with the hair oil just to make sure that my hair is getting the moisture that it needs since I did a protein treatment. Hey, good morning guys. So today is the next day and this is what my hair looks like. I definitely have to say that I felt like my hair was much stronger after using this product right here. And I don't know, like during twisting, I just felt like, you know, my curls were doing something that was, you know, extra than I'm used to. So I definitely do like it. I wanted to show you guys a close-up of my hair. I have a lot of curl definition and that is thanks to the curling cream that I use that is actually by Serene Body Sense. That is my product line and it always works like a charm. But this is definitely an amazing product. I love it as far as for keeping my strength healthy. It's a protein treatment that doesn't overdo it on my hair and I just felt like that's exactly what my hair needed. So it was just curls on top of curls and you guys can see there's a lot of curl definition going on there. So I definitely would recommend this product and I think it is amazing. Let me know what you guys think of the outcome. Did you enjoy the twist out? Do you think it's cute? Of course, if you guys want to see more information on products that I'm using and sneak peeks, be sure to follow my Instagram page because that is where I drop all my gems. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.